Hello guys, I'm Shivan Singh would give the cost accounting video presentation. The flow of the presentation would be: first, what do you mean by cost accounting? Second, significance of cost accounting for management, for workers, for creditors, for outside agencies. And third, limitations of cost accounting. What do you mean by cost accounting? Cost accounting is the formal system of recording cost in the books of accounts. According to CIMA, London terminology, cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost from the point at which expenditure is incurred or committed to the establishment of its ultimate relationship with cost centers and cost units. In its widest usage, it embraces the preparation of statistical data, the application of cost control methods, and ascertainment of probability of activities carried out or planned. In simple words, costing refers to the finding out of the cost and produce of products and services. The cost accounting means the costing using double entry system. At the most basic level, this accounting methods analyzes to the cost structure of an organization. It involves preparing financial statements and accessing a company's process and operations to help business owners understand where their money is going. For example, a cost accountant can determine how much you are spending on product manufacturing and recommend the steps to optimize, reduce, and control the cost. Now, the significance of cost accounting. First one, significance of management helps in cost control. Cost accounting helps in controlling cost with special technique like standard costing and budgetary control. Reveals profitable and unprofitable activities. Cost accounting reveals the profitable and unprofitable activities so that steps may be taken to reduce and eliminate the wastage and inefficiencies occurring in any form. Helps in decision making. Managerial decision can be taken such as introduction of the new product line, replacement of old machinery if cost correct data is supplied. Guides in fixing selling prices. A system of cost accounting guides the management in the fixing of selling prices, particularly during depression period. First one is help in inventory control. Perpetual inventory system, which is an integral part of cost accounting, helps in the preparation of interim profit and loss account. Second, reveals idle capacity. A cost accounting system can easily work out the cost of an idle capacity so that management may take immediate steps to improve the position. Third one, it facilitates cost comparison. Cost accounting enables management to make cost comparison of various jobs, product, departments, etc. so as to improve performance. Fourth one is helps in cost reduction. It helps the cost introduction of the cost reduction program and finding out new and improved ways to reduce costs. Second, its significance of workers. Workers are benefited by introduction of incentive plans, which is an integral part of the cost system. This results not only in higher productivity but also higher earning of for them. Third, its significance outsiders agencies. The cost system produces really ready figures for use by government, wage tribunals, trade union, etc. for use in problems like price fixing, wage level fixation, settlement of industries disputes, etc. Fourth, significance of our creditors. Trade creditors, debenture holders, banks, and other financial institutions from an idea about the financial soundness of the business on the basis of counting records before extending credit facilities to the company. Now, are the limitations of cost accounting. First one, it lacks of uniformity. Cost accounting lacks a uniform procedure. It is possible that two equally competent cost accountants may arrive at different results from the same information. Keeping this in view, all cost accounting results can be mere estimates. Second, it is expensive. It is pointed out that the installation of a cost system is quite expensive, which only large concern can afford. It is also argued that installation of the system will involve additional expenditure, which will lead to the dimension of profits. Third, ignorance of futuristic situation. The contribution of cost accounting for heading future situation has been not been much. For example, no tool has been evolved so far for heading inflation situation. Fourth, lack of double entry systems. Under cost accounting, a double entry system is not adapted that does not enable to check the arithmetic accuracy of the transaction and locate the errors. Fifth one is developing stage. Cost accounting is at developing stage since its principles and concepts of conversion are not fully developed. Sixth one is lack of accuracy. All the data or information used in cost accounting is imaginary. Since imaginary data is used, there are chances of errors and hence lacks accuracy. Now, seventh one is it is inapplicable. Another argument sometimes put forward is that modern methods of cost accounting are not capable to many types of industries. This plea is not very apt. The faculties in the attempt to introduce a ready-made costing system in an industry. The costing must be specially designed to meet the needs of the business. Only then the system will work successfully and achieve the objectives for which it is introduced. In fact, application of costing are worldwide. Now, thank you for listening and watching this presentation so patiently.